Most people are wasting hundreds every month on freelancers, subscriptions, and tools that free AI can replace in minutes. I used to be one of them. I was paying $500 every single month for a virtual assistant and a freelance copywriter just to keep my business moving. Then I tried Claude, and honestly, it's doing the job better for $0. Welcome to AI Replaced. I'm showing you exactly how to fire your expensive help and let AI do the work for you, step by step, for complete beginners. Today, we're looking at how Claude 4.6 Sonnet can legitimately replace a mid-level copywriter and project manager. If you're still paying for basic copywriting, you are essentially throwing money into a fire. I'm going to show you a side-by-side comparison of a professional freelancer's work versus what I got from a free AI prompt in under 60 seconds. Watch this. And honestly, I was shocked at how fast it was. But the real magic isn't just the speed, it's the configuration. In the next part, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up Claude so it writes like a professional copywriter every single time. Okay, let's look at the screen. This is the sales email sequence I paid $150 for last month. It took 3 days to get back. Now, compare that to this. I'm opening Claude. I'm pasting in my product details, my target audience, and one simple instruction. Write a 5-email sequence that doesn't sound like a robot. Watch this. In under 90 seconds, it's generating subject lines that actually get clicks, hooks that grab attention, and calls to action that don't feel sleazy. But it's not just speed. Look at email 3. The AI picked up on a pain point I didn't even mention to the freelancer. That's because these models are trained on millions of successful sales letters. It's like having a world-class marketing team in your pocket that never sleeps and never sends you an invoice. Now, once you have the copy, most people stop there. That's a mistake. The real power is using Claude as a project manager. I can take these emails and say, Claude, create a 14-day social media calendar based on these emails. In seconds, I have my Twitter threads, my Instagram captions, and my LinkedIn posts ready to go. I used to spend 4 hours every Sunday planning this out. Now, it's done before my coffee gets cold. If you're worried about it sounding too much like AI, here is the secret prompt. Tell Claude to use a conversational, slightly punchy tone and avoid words like delve, tapestry, or unlock. That one instruction makes the output 80% more human immediately. You're not just replacing a freelancer, you're scaling your output by 10 times. The math is simple. If you save $500 a month, that's $6,000 a year back in your pocket. That's a vacation, that's your rent, that's seed money for your next big idea. The barrier to entry for starting an online business just hit 0. You don't need experience, you don't need a budget, you just need to know which tools to use and how to talk to them. I've put together a PDF of my Freelancer killer prompt sequence, the exact prompts I just used on screen. If you want them for free, just comment freelance below, and I'll send them over. Make sure you're subscribed to AI Replaced, because next week, I'm showing you how to replace your video editor using 3 free AI tools. So, stop paying, start prompting. I'll see you in the next one.